up, y'all? I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I hope you're feeling good, looking good, protecting your energy, living your best life to the best of your abilities during this whole entire pandemic. I just wanted to get on here and I don't know, y'all, I just kind of wanted to do kind of like a chill vibe video with y'all. My daughter's in the background, she's chilling out. I just wanted to do a chill vibe video with y'all, showing y'all some of the new inventory that I got for my clothing boutique, my vintage clothing boutique. If you are new to my channel or you are a part of my channel already and you didn't know, I do have a vintage clothing boutique where I sell timeless and unique vintage clothing pieces. I do sell for both women and men. Now I've been mainly focused on the women. I do want to get more into the men's as well. I did get some new inventory in a couple of weeks ago, and I launched a new arrival collection on my website, www.takara.com, and I am super proud about it because if you guys didn't know, when I first started Timeless Takara about 2 years ago, it was August the 11th, my 2-year anniversary just passed. I started off just kind of like sourcing from different antique shops and vintage boutiques and sourcing products from online. I built it up to the point where I've kind of like figured out my target audience. I kind of like can like see what they like, what they don't like, and I feel like that's super important when it comes to a business. I started off my vintage shop with literally little to no money. Didn't watch one of my first videos that I made. I think it was like how to start a business with no money. I literally went to a couple different thrift stores and I started my shop with like 30 bucks. I remember I was like, I'm just gonna take this 30 bucks and I'm gonna buy some stuff and see what I can accumulate for $30, and I'm gonna start this vintage boutique. So that's exactly what I did. I was super excited about it, and then of course you guys know I ended up moving to California and I was sourcing out there. I'm not even gonna lie, like I feel like I sourced a lot of good stuff when I was back at home versus in LA. I don't know, I think maybe it was because things were like picked over and things like that, I don't know. But now I'm still offering like, you know, unique pieces, one-of-a-kind pieces, but now I'm also sourcing pieces where I can find multiples of, like more than one, but it's still gonna be limited, so that way I am able to offer, you know, more sizes, because I feel like that was like a thing on my website too, like, you know, people were liking things but it might not have been their size. So I'm just glad that I'm able to like scale up a little bit at a time, and it's just a journey, you guys. I'm excited now because when I first started my business I wasn't a mom. Now I'm a mom, so I have something that I wouldn't say I would necessarily have a business where I can pass down to Sahara, because my daughter might not necessarily be into vintage pieces when she gets older, but I am able to start, you know, building this generational wealth for my daughter. I'll show y'all some of the pieces that from the new collection that I bought. As you guys do know, I do remake stuff on my website as well, so I have things that I have made that are on the website. Some things I source and I remake into something new. If you guys didn't see my sewing and influencer dress video, I posted that right up here. I sewed this dress. I showed you guys how I sewed it, and it's actually up on the website now, available to purchase. I also do live shopping parties as well. I want to start doing more live shopping parties here on my YouTube channel, so let me know if you guys would tune in if I did. First piece that we have is this cream satin midi skirt with a side split. It's this really nice cream color. This is great. This is a great, I feel like, transitional piece and just everyday piece to have in your wardrobe. For me, what I wanted with this new collection is to like it was kind of more like inspired for like leveling up, tapping into your feminine, defined feminine energy. So that's kind of like the idea that I got for this collection. Just more so looking like $1 million, feeling like $1 million, having pieces in your wardrobe that you're able to grab and you feel good in and you feel good about, you feel confident in. It's really chic, you guys. I love it. Easily throw this on with a camisole tank top. I have on a camisole tank top from my shop right here as well. Oh yeah, you guys, we do offer shop pay on our website as of right now. Let me know in the comments, do you guys prefer shop pay, afterpay, or sizzle? I want to know because I'm just curious. The next item is, I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Are you somebody who doesn't wear white after Labor Day? I mean, I do. I ain't thinking about that. I will still be wearing my white trousers after Labor Day. But here, these are another essential piece. These are our cotton trousers with a belt. It does come with a belt. Be careful, baby. So these are all of my pieces, you guys. So I do wear my own clothes. So it has like this really cute little vintagey belt. Definitely giving me like 70s vibe. And what I love about these are they are flared. Super comfy, super chic. If you don't always want to wear jeans but you want to have a pant that's comfy, go for a trouser. They do have pockets as well. So for my sizes, the sizes run from extra small to medium. So an extra small will be a size 4, small a size 6, and then a medium will be a size 8. So you can also pair that back with the satin cami tank top that I have on right now, you guys. I'm actually on the website. I'm always on my website. Like I literally be like shopping on my own website. But yeah, so this is the black satin cowl neck cami top. I got on sweatpants right now, so don't mind me. I actually styled this with those pants on my website. So for this, we have extra small, small, and medium available in these tops. I really love like how it's like a cowl neck. It's just very like soft, feminine, and it's just very luxurious. I don't know, I just love this top. I've been wearing this a lot. You can wear it for like a girls' night out if you're going to like a bar and you're going to have like drinks with your girls, or even if you're going on a date night. I feel like this is super chic and cute. And again, it's satin. Put a blazer on over it. You can still layer it for the fall time. So I have this one in black, and I also picked out, I'm gonna have to open this one up, this other white one. Now in the whites, I only have extra small available. So this is what it looks like in white. It's really, really cute. And these are camisole tops are so hard to find. Like, even when I was looking like for vendors for camisole tops, it was so hard for me to be able to find these. And they have the adjustable straps I like. So the next piece we have from our website is the satin cowl neck midi dress with split. It literally looks just like this tank top, but it's dress form. It's a long, like, midi dress. It does have a slit on the side. I absolutely love this. It's the movement for me, like. But yeah, this is a great, I wore this out on a girls' night out in Buckhead in Atlanta with my girls, and I just paired it with like a strappy heel sandal, and I loved it. I felt so good, y'all. Like, I felt so good. I love this dress. I was like, woo, finally a little black dress that I just feel so good in, feel so sexy in, feel so classy in. This is like that dress that will get you a free dinner, honey, okay? Definitely a date night piece. Then I picked out these. Fall time is coming up, and I'm like, okay, we gotta get some fall pieces in there too. We're kind of transitioning into the fall. What you doing, baby? Don't worry about mommy's paper. No. So next I went with these black faux leather flared trousers. So I'm the type, like, when I'm shopping for inventory, and I don't know if y'all do this for y'all business, but when I'm shopping for inventory, I literally like to ask my friends, like, what do you think of this? Would y'all wear this? Would y'all wear this? And so I seen some leather pants that I wanted to get for the website, and so I text Ariana, Miriam, and Ashley, and I was like, hey, what do y'all think of these? Like, what do y'all think of these pieces? Like, I was having them like kind of like critique the pieces that I was picking out for the new collection, and they were like, yeah, like, get those ones, those are flared, like, those are so like it. So I picked out the flared ones. I was like, okay, we're gonna go with the flare, because I was literally gonna go with the straight leg ones. What about these is, I've noticed a lot of trousers and other shops don't have that option on leather pants where they have that belt option, and I love to be able to like adjust how tight my waist and things are, because you know how that be, you might lose weight, whatever. So I love this option of having that belt loop on these. But these are perfect, you guys. They do have a button, they have a zipper, everything is functional. Hey mamas! Hi! I just absolutely love these. You wanna show them the pants? So you can pair these with a camisole top! So you can pair these with a camisole top, so cute! I like that you can pair them with heels and all that. And My favorite way to pair these is with a cropped blazer. This was actually just like a regular blazer and I cropped it, and now it's just super cute, super chic. What size is this? This is a size 11. I also, let me show y'all some of the other stuff that I reworked. I've been really loving to like rework polo stuff. And I felt like this fit this collection as well. So I also reworked this Ralph Lauren t-shirt. It was just like a regular tank top, and so I cropped it, put some elastic in it, and I've just been really into like reworking Ralph Lauren. I love the smart casual look, so this I also have put on the website. And then I also reworked a polo. This was a medium polo. I know next time that I go to the thrift store, I need to make sure that I pick up a large polo, so that way it'll be better. But I feel like this will still fit somebody who wears like a size extra small. So yeah, I just cropped a polo shirt. I made the sleeve smaller, and then I made a skirt for the bottom, which is really, and this would be cute if like somebody's boyfriend had like a polo top. I just thought it was cute to put on my website. So, but I just wanted to really just wanted to come on here and show y'all some of the stuff that I have dropped on my website. If you are a business owner, drop your businesses in the comments below. Y'all let me know, should I open up a PO box where y'all can like send me y'all's business stuff, like y'all small business stuff, and like I can like share it and do like unboxings on my channel. Like, I don't know, let me know, because I know the struggle. I know how it is being a small business owner. So yeah, but if you're somebody who's looking for new items, y'all definitely check out my website. It's www.takara.com. Sign up for my email list, y'all, and I'm about to start sending out text messages too. But sign up for my email list. When you do sign up for my email list, you do get 10% off your first order when you sign up. So if you're somebody who is looking to feel more confident, you will always find it hard to find things to wear, you're looking for quality pieces, unique pieces, you want to feel more, you know, grown woman, upscale, sexy, elegant, classy, definitely check out Timeless Takara. And let me know what other business type videos y'all would like to see from me. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and my business. I have a business Instagram as well, y'all. It's Timeless Takara. Yeah, but that is about it. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I love you guys, and I will see you at the top. Peace.